So yeah, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I thought that so far I have completed a lot of topics in the SwiftUI. So why should I try to SpriteKit to try to make some basic app? So with the help of the navigation topics. So these are all the topics that I've have like I'm learning the SwiftUI from past 2 months. First of all, let me check whether the streaming is running or not, and once it's done, so I'm gonna use the script kit. And by the way, at the same time, I'm also want to learn that how the split kit works, so that we can able to go in a deep like how the iOS game developments work and everything. So let's get started. First of all, let me see whether the streaming is properly running or not, and once it's sure, so we're gonna get back to the work. Okay, first of all, let me do one thing. Xcode. Okay, so what I have to do is to make a new folder over here. So I'm gonna make the folder. Like I have never used before the SpriteKit, so it's completely new for me. So I think that I need to watch these many steps, like I need to follow the steps properly, and otherwise if I made the mistake, so it will be definitely going to create the problems. So first of all, let's make the proper folder over here, and once it's done, so we gonna deep like how the SpriteKit get connected with the Xcode, and how we can able to make the iOS game development with the help of SpriteKit. So this is currently a new for me when I heard about like if I want to go for the iOS game development. So first of all, I need to know the currently I can't able to give the proper structures animations using the blender. So what I have to do is that is the advanced topic. So I need to collect these structures images from the Googles, and with the help of that I need to connect it with the SpriteKit, and then we need to write the code using the Xcode, and then this entire process will be look like. So let's see that what I'm going to make at the end over here. Okay, hey, by the way, let me know in the comment section what all of you doing. Like it's almost, yeah, it's 2 a.m. and you all are it's also doing some work, so don't forget to let me know in the comment section what all are you doing right now and which tools you are learning. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. So okay, first of all, let me do all of the arrangement properly before starting the work. So if I will daily give my 2 hours, 2 hours almost for learning like how the SplitKit works, and how we can able to connect that, and how the iOS game development works, so we can able to go in advanced as well. And if I think that, so I'm learning this SwiftUI from past uh, almost from past 2 months. Like today is the streaming, like 68 days streaming. So um, first I started with the Figma and I learned that, but now you can able to do that basic work with the help of the AI tools as well. So what is the Figma used for? To just giving the, if I want if I suddenly want some specific background, uh, in a different colors, where I can able to give the mixture of 2 3 colors. So that in that scenario, like and in this scenario, like Figma is necessary and useful as well. But for a long period of time, we need to switch on a different tools as well. So like I have seen many of them, like there is the, like there are many different tools, like not only it's talk not only the story about the Blender, there is so many tools, so if you want to go for the animations, and also I will suggest you to start with the Creator and make the basic projects and make some try to make some structures which look like the 2D animations and all, and then only switch for the Blender, because I have seen many of these videos, and in reality as well, like Blender is hard, and if you follow the lectures, tutorials, and keep yourself consistent with that, so you can able to make the game and everything structures properly using the Blender. So that is the best part about the Blender. So okay, wait. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Hello, I saw your streaming many times. Maybe it is the first one you do talking. Okay, uh, see, I always keep keep myself mute because it's Pomodoro streaming, because many of them are doing the studies for the examinations, and also maybe if I will keep myself mute, it would be a better options, because it will be not also interrupt you as well as me. So that's why I kept myself mute. And now I'm trying to make the iOS game development using the SwiftUI and the SpriteKit. So that is the kind of new for me. So I really want to record my reaction as well in this scenario. So by the way, let me know in the comment section what all of you doing. Okay, let me paste some rules over here on a streaming, and then I'm gonna start work. By the way, don't forget to let me know in a comment section which tools you are learning right now. But it's not only about the tech, if you are in different field as well, so don't forget to introduce yourself. Okay, so you are solving the questions on lead code. By the way, this is great, like at least you started. Okay, learn Gen AI. But there is so many things to learn. Okay, can't say anything like specific one. So okay, let me make the create a new project. don't need this file. But okay, no problem. Let's see that what the Xcode give us, because there is many new thing like in iOS 26 now we have many options to do like inside the Xcode. Uh, if I talk about the VS Code, we have the Copilot. Same as over here, we have the ChatGPT option. Like if there is any problem or the error we are getting, or as a beginner, there are many meanings or the words that I don't know why I'm using this. Like for example, like during the starting of the SwiftUI, I was not aware about like what exactly the navigation is, and I supposed to ask like what exactly the navigation, how the stacks work, explain me that stack, and I supposed to ask this all the kind of the basic questions. So okay, first let's make a new file that's called game view. And now everything that we need to arrange over here, like import why it's typing. Okay, fine. Oh, okay. Game view. Mm. Wait, let me comment out this first. I think that the Xcode is lagging because inside the content view the Canva is running. That's why. So first of all, let's we check like what exactly the Canva output is over here. So according to this, we are going to make our changes. Okay, so this is what we got, and now what I'm going to do is delete the file from here, because content view it's contain some kind of the list, and also I don't need that. So I'm gonna do is to delete the content view for now, and then I will make the different file for based on my work, because I think that I don't need it right now. So because this content view, it's containing the list and all, because you can able to see over here, this is the list topic. Like I can able to add this. It's based on the timing, like currently it's 2:30 a.m, so that's why it's displaying. So all the times it's going to get updated over here, and at the same time we can also able to edit this. So this is what the entire process is. Let's make it properly. Okay, anyways, now I am updating my game view file. So let's design this as per our requirement. So I'm gonna write var body some view, and then after this we have to write the hashtag pre review. Okay, it's time to call our file, so we can able to see the output. So first of all, this is called preview, and from here and our entire body of the code start. I mean, this space is for see, we have the HTML, and inside the HTML we have the body section where we give all the designs, or I can say our front end look. So this is what something we have the same scenario inside the SwiftUI. Okay, so let's arrange this first of all. Game scene. Okay, scene dot size. Let's go to scene size. So let's give some width, kind of UI. Screen dot main dot POR. Okay, wait, dot bounds dot width, comma. Okay, height. Oh, What's wrong with this keeper? Okay, then some parts. And let's remove this first of all. And then what we needed is that UI. Okay, CRAN screen UI screen dot. Okay, after hide UI screen dot main dot bounds dot hide, and then scheme dot scal scale more is fill. Okay, it's dot fill, and then we have to write the return. First of all, let's arrange the sequence properly, and then I'm gonna give some space over here and kind of return. So let's see that what exactly the error is. See, I cannot find. Okay, currently, so we didn't have made the game view scene, so that's why this error is. So it's kind of common issue, can't do anything about that. Okay, return scene, and let's move on a new one. Okay, return scene, and after that we have to make the var body some view for. So this is a new page section for the game scene. Let's give some space over here, and then we write the SPA spacer. I think that it's not needed, it's kind of split view. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, split view, and we are gonna write the scene over here, and this is for embed or new split game. So let's write over here first of all ignorance a safer area, because it's necessary. So once this frame get open, so I will show you that what exactly the safer area means. Like if I have the frame of the cell phone, so there we have the camera section. So if I wrote some text over there, and I also wrote like to ignore the safer area, so that particular text is going to visible behind the camera, and because of this you can't able to see the text, because as we wrote inside the code like ignorance a safer area. So over here, if I'm giving some particular background, like I want the particular background blue, and just cover the whole frame of my cell phone, so what going to be happen, it going to ignore the safer area. And in this scenario, like covering the safer area is completely safe, like it's not a big deal. Okay, so ignore the safer area, and then let's write the navigation wow, back button hidden. Okay, and then over here I'm going to write the through, and let's arrange the sequence properly. So many errors. Wait, I need to arrange this first of all. What is the persistence here? Okay, over we have the core data. So Okay, over here we call the game scene, and now that's why we are getting the error, like what exactly the game scene is. Like we cannot find the game scenes in a scope. So what we have to do is to create a new file and give a name, a game scene, and then write some code over there. So after that this error will be going to disappear, because currently there is no game scene inside my folder, so that's why we are getting this error. So let's create the another file and give the name as a game scene according to this, and otherwise we are also going to get the spelling mistakes error. It's common for me. So okay, first of all let's arrange the game scene with the SwiftUI code. What is the name? Wait, it's name game scene. So we're gonna write over here view our body we are more some view. Okay, anyways, hashtag hashtag preview. Okay, what is the name of our file? That is game scene. Okay, now it's also turn to call the import SpriteKit, and this is the SwiftUI, and okay, import AV foundation. Okay, so by the way, this import SwiftUI is only needed for review. Okay, so first of all let's arrange this according to our scene. SK 6. Oh, okay, I think that it's this one, content, and then let's first of all let me remove this one. Here SK. Let's arrange this persistence as well first of all.